Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and booting up Pioneer's new XDJ-1000 multiplayer. Finally came in. They had some issues preventing them from shipping them out, but they're in. I'm not going to be playing on it, just booting it, so here we go. Power cord. Use this in a minute. Looks like some RCA's, network cable, instruction booklet, well, if you call it that, and now the actual unit. The unit itself, fairly light, feels light, 7 or 8 pounds. Certainly lighter than one of the Nexus CDJs. Turn it on. Looks like it's booted up. Feels pretty responsive, at least the display does. There you have it. New Pioneer XDJ-1000.